Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mesel, and on this channel I make uni related content, lifestyle videos, vlogs, beauty, fashion, and all the good stuff. Okay, yeah, so in today's video, obviously from the thumbnail, from the title, why you clicked this video, if your purpose is not to support me endlessly, is to see how I style my hair. So I'm going to be styling short knotless braids. That's the style I have on. Let me take off this makeshift bun. I realized that a lot of girls run away from short styles because they feel like then there's not really a lot of ways you can style your braids and all when it's short. But I'm here to put the girls on and show you guys that there are so many ways to style short braids, and there's versatility, hope I said that right, in short length. Okay, so without further ado, before I forget, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that comment section. Leave a comment, tell me I look pretty, leave a heart, something nice. Without further ado, all that said, let's get into the styles. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys my hair. This is the length. This is slightly above bra length or exactly bra length. I'm not so certain, but I believe every style I show in this video can work with shorter lengths. You just need to incorporate hairpins to hold smaller pieces. Okay, for all the styles we're going to show, you need some elastic bands, or you could use rubber bands, whatever works for you. You also need claw clips, and big ones are preferred to be able to hold every single braid. Alright, so for the first style, you just need to put your hair in a side part. You can make your side part as deep as you like, just whatever works best for you really. I like mine like this, so whatever works for you is what you should use. So after this, just want to hold your hair into a ponytail, and you're going to use an elastic band. You could use a rubber band if you want, or a scrunchie. Really, it just depends on what works for you. So after you hold your hair into a ponytail, you just want to make sure everything is arranged, everything is flat. You don't really want the swoop to be lumpy, you get. So yeah, then just want to hold it tight, and you just want to use your elastic band and wrap it around. And for this style, I don't really like wrapping it more than twice. So after this first pass, I'll go again, but I'm not going to put it in completely. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. I would just pass it through, I would fold it and I would pass it through halfway, so that it's like there's a slight bulge under, but the curls are still left out. I hope the way I'm doing it in this video you can understand it, because I tried to be as understandable as possible. So exactly what I mean by the bulge, it's supposed to be this bulge, and the curls are not supposed to be held in. So when you're done with that, you just want to arrange the curls to your liking, because honestly this is really all it is to this style. Very simple, very easy, very cute. This is what we are giving. I really love it. It gives elegant, it gives cute, it gives boss babe. It depends on you. Also gives studios, You can also do this style as a center part if you like. Alright, so this second style is basically a high messy bun. Okay, so first off, what you want to do, you want to hold your hair into a high ponytail slightly above the center of your head. Basically, you want to be giving egghead here, that's the vibe. So you want to hold your hair into a ponytail, and you're going to wrap it really tight, because about this style, it just has to be snatched really, because if it's not tight, it's not going to give the same way it's supposed to give. So yeah, I just want to hold your hair into a ponytail and wrap it round. I wrap mine twice. Then during the second pass, I do that same fold thing I did in that other bun, where I don't pass it through completely. So I just pass it through halfway to give a small bulge, so. Really, you don't want it to be too big, you don't want it to be too small, because you can make it smaller though if you want your bun smaller. It depends on you. then you just want to start wrapping around the curls. You want to wrap it in opposite directions. You don't want to wrap everything in the same direction because you want it to give messy bun here. You don't want it to give coordinated. Alright, so this is the final look. Here's what you are giving. You can leave it as is, or you can decide to pull out, pieces to frame your face. I don't really like pulling out pieces, but you do you. So this is the final look, and have it, all pulled to the back to give you a clean girl vibe, or you could have some pieces out to give you cute girl vibes, whatever you're on, okay? Alright, so into the third style, and I know this is what the girls are here for, the claw clip style. Okay, so you want to hold your hair into a low ponytail, not too low, just right, just high enough and just low enough to get. You want to just pack it tight, very tight, guys. It has to be tight for this style to work, because it being loose is not just going to give the same way. So like right after that, you can actually stop here. I want to show you guys that you can stop here and have your hairstyles like this, whatever. I just wanted to show you guys that this is also a style, but let's just go on with what we're here for. So right after you're done packing it, you want to twist your hair like so, and you can decide to twist it in that direction or in the opposite direction. It really doesn't matter. I did both in this video so that you guys can understand that it can go whichever way, and I did it several times to make sure that you guys saw what I meant by twist the hair, okay? And I actually accidentally left out some pieces. It was not intentional at all, so do not leave out any pieces, okay? So after that, you want to just hold your hair in place with the claw, and as you can see, it's very bulky. That's why I said you need a big claw for this, okay? If your hair is scanty, you don't really need a big claw, but just need to make sure that it can hold tight, a claw that can hold it tight to your head, okay? Right after that, you just want to arrange the curls, separate the curls, and just like that, you're going to have your style. I just took my time to arrange the curls as I liked. I noticed that I left out some pieces by accident, and I just tucked it in and everything. It's to finesse this kind of things. Just tuck it in. I showed you guys just in case you have the same mistake. Just tuck it in, and just like that, you have your claw clip style. This is really giving Y2K. I love it so much. It's so easy. And if you're not a girl that's about the front pieces like me, just simply wrap it in like so, or you can just just leave it out at all. And this style without the pieces just gives clean girl vibes. Style 4, so you want to pick out your pieces, per usual, and then you want to part the front part of your hair, the first 2 rows. That's what you want to pull out. You don't want to pull out more than this, because you really don't want this to be too thick, because when you take in too much hair, it's not just going to look cute again, it's just going to look too full and just messy. So you want to just pick out pieces like this, and then you want to pull everything to the back like so. Very easy. So as you just pull it to the back, you're also going to just pick out few strands from the center as well. Like I said, you really don't want to get too much hair into this, because it's being too full will just ruin the vibe of the style, okay? So you just want to hold it in place and pick out the pieces and arrange it how you like. Okay, now you're going to pack all the pieces you picked out into a ponytail. I want to also make this tight. I just feel like it being tight just makes it 10 times better, okay? So what I do is that I wrap it around for this style. I wrap it 3 times to make sure it's really tight, because we don't really have much strands out in the first place, so your elastic band or rubber band can go round several times. Okay, so in the third time, instead of me passing it through completely, I do the fold. Remember that fold I talked about in the first and second style? We are doing it again here. Okay, so you fold it and you pass the elastic through and just leave the little bulge there. Okay, once you're done with that, once you've passed it through, you have it how it is. What you want to do next is just arrange your curls to your liking, and your style is basically complete. Okay, yeah, this is the final look. I really love this style so much. It gives me boohoo vibes. I don't know, I really love it so much. And you can decide to just leave it as is, or you can decide to put the pieces in, just give you that snatched clean girl look. I really am about no front pieces out. I really love the clean girl vibe no front pieces gives. Okay, on to the next style. So this is basically a high ponytail with a swoop or a side bang or something like that. So you want to pick out a few pieces in front. I usually just use 4 pieces or 5. It just depends. Right now I'm using 4. Pick out those 4 pieces in front, and then you put the rest of your hair into a ponytail. And you want to make sure that ponytail is snatched, because it's all about the grip, it's all about the tightness of it. It just gives it a whole better look. But if you feel you're the type that's going to get a headache from a tight ponytail, feel free to make it loose. Okay, just giving my advice based on how I think the style looks best. So you know that whole bulge thing I spoke about with the whole bun, we're going to repeat it again here. Just do the whole mini bulge, and then you're going to start wrapping your curls in different directions. And obviously it's not possible to get it in the first try every single time, so you can take as many takes as you need. And that's about it. This is the final look. You can leave it as is with the 2, or you can just flip it over and you can have your side bang. That just looks cute. It really gives me office, really gives me dinner vibes. I really like this style so much. Yes, I wanted to just show you guys I can easily switch this style up from a side bang to a side swoop, just like that, just by pinning it at the back or just tucking it into the bun and just giving yourself a whole different vibe in 2 seconds. Okay, so you want to start this style off by pushing your hair back, making sure that you have no parting out or straight back, and then you want to hold your hair into a ponytail. Now, the one I did in this video is a bit too high than what I usually do, but at this point my head was killing me, so I could not redo the style, so I just left it as is, and I said I will explain it to you guys in the video. So basically you want to pack your hair into a ponytail, but definitely not as high as mine, a bit lower. Okay, that's just how the style will come out better. It comes out way better when the ponytail is a bit lower, but you can still do it like this if you prefer a higher ponytail, but I feel it just didn't work for me. So after you're done, you're going to do the whole bulge thing again, you know, and then you're just going to flip the curls over and arrange it as you like. And that is simply how it is. That's simply how it ends. Just, you know, keep adjusting and keep wrapping and keep twitching it up until you get what you like. When it's lower, in my opinion, it's way cuter, but this high look is so cute still. So you can switch this style up into a cute bow ear-shaped bun like this. I don't know if you guys get, it's not a messy bun, but it's a bun still. So you just push everything to the back and tuck it into itself, and just like that you have a cute bun. This bun is different. It's not like a regular messy bun or a donut. I think it's so cute in case you just want to have like a different touch but still look simple. Alright, so into the last style, you want to put your hair into a side part and just want to arrange it, make sure everything is in place. And then you're going to start twisting the hair into itself. Now, I want you guys to know that this is not easy, so you should not give up in your first try when your twist isn't going smoothly. So basically, it's like a flat twist. You're twisting the hair into itself and you're grabbing more hair as you're twisting. Do you understand? I try to be as slow and as understandable as possible, so you can watch this part a couple of times if you didn't get it, so you can get what I mean. Okay, so you want to continue with this on both sides of your head. Alright, so when you're done with the twist on the other side, you just want to hold your hair into a ponytail and tie it tight. Now this is how it's going to look. You can leave it like this. It's just giving gypsy vibes to me. I really like this style. Or you could decide to do a bun by simply folding it over and using an elastic band to hold it in place. Then when you're done with that, you're just going to use your hands and separate the curls and arrange it to your liking. And that simply is it with the styles. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in whatever way possible. Do not forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And I hope you see you in my next one. Bye.